I was just visiting the observation deck on the Palace of Culture and Science, and from here, from the Palace of Culture and Science, I'm gonna try and walk to the hotel, ibis Warszawa Centrum, and see how close it's actually to the city center. And right now it's 3:25, and we'll see when I'm gonna get into the hotel. Let's go. Okay, I made it to the hotel in 32 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty close to the city center. Let's go look how is it inside. ibis Warszawa Centrum present themselves as an economical, sustainable city hotel located in a perfect connected point of the city. Tram and bus stops are about 2 minutes walk from the hotel. Also, right around the corner from the entrance there is the indoor parking. I really like the lobby. It's nice and colorful, and it's had a lot of place to sit. Monday through Friday, breakfast served from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and Saturday and Sunday it's 6:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Also, there's an ATM near the entrance. My room was located on the second floor, and it was the most standard and basic room that I could get. On every floor there are water dispensers, and inside the room there is carafe what you can fill with the water. They don't provide plastic bottles in here. Also looks like the conference room are located on the first floor. And right now I'm in a hotel. This is a standard double room, and I'm gonna show you closer how it looks like. The room is not really big. Here's a big mirror on the side, 2 hooks for your clothes, this little shelf for your essentials. And here's the hair dryer stored, and also a remote for the TV. Relatively wide bed. Little table with a bottle for water. This is the night table with the phone, tea kettle, I think it's instant coffee, and black tea, yeah. And probably some instant sugar and maybe an instant creamer. The restroom is not too big. Here is a sink in a corner. This is the standard handheld shower, what's really popular in Europe. Also in the bathroom, here is the hand soap. And in the shower, there is the shampoo and body wash. To be honest, all the ibis what I visit in different cities and the countries, they all look kind of the same. Because ibis have, I think, three ranges: ibis budget, ibis regular with the red logo, and ibis styles is the green one. This is the ibis Centrum, so regular. Your reliable, familiar, simple, not too expensive hotel. It's not bad. Looks comfortable, relatively big room. I think you can open the window. Nothing like crazy, and it's not too far from my city center. You can basically walk there for 30 minutes. Also around here there is a lot of, I noticed there's like for some reason 2 pho places and the ramen place and the coffee shops. So you're pretty much close to everything. Places to eat, places to drink coffee, city center, good transportation. So not bad. After I spend a couple hours here, I do notice a couple things what can be a drawback for some people who wanna rent this room. I think this place is maybe a little bit old because you can see there's a lot of this little damage on the walls everywhere. Some of them repaired, like right here. But you can definitely see that this room was not renovated for a long time. Also, there's some things like almost halfway broken hanger. Room overall clean. I think the cleaning crew doing really good job, but you see some details what was wrecked, like this one zipper, and never was repaired. That's why I would definitely say that this is not the newest room, and it's haven't seen a renovation for a long time. But towels, bed sheets, and all that stuff is pretty clean. Also, at first I was like, where's all the electric plugs? And they're right there. Let me show you. They're in a hidden spot. It's not that easy to find. And there's also a couple things that I forget to mention. There is no fridge. I just realized because I wanted my soda cold and there is nowhere to put it because I guess there's no space for the fridge. And also inside the room there is no safe box where you can put it, set up your own code, and it's going to be secure, like your passport or your cash. So that's also something to keep in mind when you book your room in the ibis Warsaw Center. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next videos.